Barney.
Look at you, big boy.
Look at the baby in his winter clothes.
Oh my goodness.
Look how low he floats.
Because that weighs him down, right?
It does. It does. They don't. You'll see he'll talk a lot less on his back. Got any high heel shoes I can wear? I'm trying to stay up out of the water. Good boy. Woohoo! You'll get the steps. Go get him, baby. Go get him. You're close enough. Balance those feet out again. You're fine. Quit kicking. No kicking. No kicking. Ready, set, go. Go get those steps. You can't exhale. Go get those steps. Don't hang out on your back too long. You'll get stuck there. There you go. Yeah!